Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum. Learn Tajweed the easy way, lesson 31a, in which we will take words with hams letters. Hams letters are fa, ha, tha, ha, sheen, kha, and sad, sin, kaf, and ta. When you read these letters, the breath should not stop. The breath should not stop while pronouncing them. Among these letters, you have to be careful for two letters, kaf and ta, especially when there is sukoon on them. For example, you should not say mat, bat, wat, or mak, bak, wak. No, you should say mat, bat, wat, mak, bak, wak. So let the breath go on. Why on these two? Well, because suppose, wallahu alam, suppose the imam stops the breaths while saying them, you will have difficulty recognizing what he said. For example, he says akbar, akbar. You don't know which letter he is saying. Okay, so but if he says akbar, atsbar, then you are very clear which letter is being pronounced. Hams occurs in the Quran. Hams on these two letters, especially with sukoon, occurs in the Quran almost 1,200 times. That is almost 2 times every page on the average. Let's practice these words. Repeat after me. Qalat, qalat, qa, thick and high. All right. Tatluna, tatluna. Ja'alathu, ja'alathu. Walfitnatu, walfitnatu. So if you recite qalat, tatluna, ja'alathu, walfitnatu, so I will not know whether you are saying ta or kaf. It can be qalak, taqluna, but you will not know. But if you say qalat, tatluna, ja'alathu, walfitnatu, the ta is very clear. Let us take hams for ka. Kaf with sukoon. Akbaru, akbaru, akthara, akthara, dhikru, dhikru, takfuruna, takfuruna. So you should not say akbar, akthara, dhikru, takfuruna, because people will not know whether you are saying kaf or ta, or even other letters like qalqala. That's it for now. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.